Hello everyone and welcome to a new episode of Cinema Basics, where I give context and a brief demonstration of classic cinema techniques, which might actually help you spice up your own work. In today's episode, we're talking about the cut. A cut is an abrupt film transition between shots. It's considered one of the basic elements for cinematic language, which helps weave the story into a film. Most early films were single, long takes, similar to establishing shots nowadays. The cut, however, allowed filmmakers to control what and when audiences would see something. It allowed artists to emphasize or divert attention to certain elements, therefore creating a narrative instead of just showcasing a moment in time. Therefore, the cinematic montage or film editing was born. The term cut originates from the physical action of cutting a film strip back in the day, but the term continues to apply when editing with software since cutting and pasting occurs as well. It has also become associated with the resulting visual break that a cut makes. Multiple cuts form a sequence and, therefore, a narrative. In film production, cuts are performed by the editor after reviewing the footage that was shot beforehand. Cuts create the pace of the film, which is achieved by transitioning between camera angles. A good cut can even help you hide errors in production so that the film maintains its believability and its pace. Now, there's a concept called shoot for the edit, which means to plan out your shots in a very precise manner so that not a lot of film editing is involved in a particular sequence and the process becomes more of just stitching together the film. People call this also cutting in camera, and this is similar to what a cut is in animation, where cuts are planned beforehand. What happens in each shot and where the transitions happen or the cuts happen are first designed and later produced. The cut has retained its purpose to this day because it enables, in a way, the suspension of disbelief, which is necessary to keep an audience engaged into a narrative. Of course, the Kuleshov effect is a topic that must be mentioned on a video about cuts. However, I'll be dedicating a full video to it maybe next week. I don't know, might happen. You'll have to stay tuned to find out. Remember to share this video with someone who might find it useful. I make videos like this as frequently as I can, so consider subscribing. Let me know in the comments if there are any other classic cinema techniques you'd like me to dive into. Leave a like and hit me up on social media. Links are in the video description. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Cheers.